Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and I focus on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today, I have for you a quick, small luxury haul. Yes, that's right. Quick, small luxury haul. So if you like Chanel, if you like a quick, small luxury haul, then just keep watching. I want to quickly say thank you for all my new subscribers. Ooh, the sun is really shining this morning. It is my birthday month. So if you want to give me the best present in the world, that would be for you to become a subscriber of my channel. I am growing my channel and I need you to help me. Without further ado, let's get into this quick, small luxury haul. So let me grab the box and my trusty dusty opener and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. I got my box. I got my trusty dusty, what is this called? Box cutter? Yeah. I've got my trusty dusty box cutter and we are going to open up this box really quick and let's see what's inside. Alright, here's the box. You know the size of this box, what it has to be, right? You know what it is, right? So let's see what is inside of it. So let's open up that box. Inside is a single dust bag. And it is the Neiman Marcus shipping invoice. Here they are, my brand new Chanel trainers. Oh, they look so soft and comfortable. Just right out of the box, they look comfortable. Oh, and they look like they can fit, they will fit. Oh my goodness, with Chanel shoes, I always have a problem with sizing. So look at that. It's got the double C's all through the thread of the sole of the shoe. I like them. They're a little bit understated, but it has the Chanel embossed logo, raised embossed logo in the back. So that's definitely not understated. But the rest of the shoe seems a little bit understated. But I like it. I like it. So let me pull out the other shoe. This is the care booklet. It's a Chanel tag. I don't know what it's for. That is all that is inside of the box. I'll show it to you. So let me read the information from the box. These are the 20B Chanel sneakers. The serial number is G35549, X is in X-ray 51397943005, and it says it comes in a 38B. They are in the color black, and of course you can see that. And they are priced at $825, so I think this is a really good price for Chanel trainers. Usually the other trainers that are really popular are leather and canvas. Okay, so I am back. I cleaned up the mess that we made. I love these trainers already, right off the bat. I really do. These will not be going back unless they do not fit me. So they have a little nice wedge heel in white It has a double C Chanel logo at the tip of the toe. And then it has that little sock, the sock material around the ankle part of the shoe, and it goes all the way around. And then we have the Chanel right in the front. Oh my goodness, these are so nice. I love these. And then they have the little slip-on pull. What is this pull thingy that you use to slip your little finger inside to pull it up over your heel? And that is it. Now, these shoes did not come with additional laces. They have the double C's on the bottom all the way through each diamond crisscross design. And then you have that same diamond crisscross design in the front. And then it goes all the way around the shoe. If you can see it, I'm going to bring it up closer to you. And then we will have the Chanel. It is written out. And then the double C Chanel logo right below it. So I really like these. These look great. Understated, but still Chanel. So I love them. We have another one of the cards that are inside. So I think I had two now. This is the first one, and then that's the second. I guess that's how they keep track of the shoes, because this says one of two. And it has the Chanel right here. And inside of the shoe has the Chanel logo and the double C's, just like the front. And inside it has WG3554938.5, and these are made in Italy. I don't know if you can, well, you can see the inside of the shoe. And then that is the inside where the tongue area would be. These shoes are very soft material, and here is the Chanel. Diamond print bottom. They fit. They fit. I probably could have went to a 39. Ugh. Here are the two trainer tags that come inside the shoe. Again, they did not come with additional shoelaces. I do love these shoes. They are comfy. I am wearing them right now. I'm sure as I wear them, they will loosen up a little bit. I do not want to go up a size, because if I do go up a size, I'm not for sure that it won't be too big. So right now I have that 38.5, and I will be keeping them. They are a keeper, and I love these understated Chanel shoes. And I love the shoes, and I love the price point. If you're interested, they are recently released. They are the 20B collection for the Chanel Fall Winter 2020 collection. So make sure, if you like it, check it out. You can either visit your boutique or go online. Or if you have an essay, you can contact your essay, and I'm quite sure she or he will be able to find them for you, and then you will have them. So this is all for today. Quick, small luxury haul. Thank you for watching. My name is Carmen, and remember, stay classy, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.